What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? This is Nick, and I have just stumbled upon the coolest thing since sliced bread. I am on dnd.dragonmag.com looking at the newest issue of Dragon Plus. This is Strahd Revamped, issue number 34. And if you Actually, you can see it right there. Free solo adventure right on the cover. And I didn't even see that. I literally just saw that now. Just like I didn't know that anything like this existed until probably 15 minutes ago. So if you open this bad boy up, what we are going to be looking at is down here towards the bottom, there is a solo adventure Frozen Offerings. Now, what this is a DM-less, yes, that's right, a DM-less choose your own adventure quest designed for a 5th edition character. So if you're one of those forever DMs like myself, and you always have that itch to kind of play and experience things from the player's perspective, this is your answer right here. And the cool thing is it says it's a solo adventure, but there are options to play this with additional characters. So you could still play this with 2 to 3 people, and all you do is you just basically modify the starting level, but you can still play it with 2 to 3 people and not have a DM. So you just basically run through the adventure, choosing what you're going to do, going on to the next piece based on what you choose, and yeah, how awesome is that? Again, it's a choose your own adventure for Dungeons and Dragons. I am super pumped for this. So if we let me go ahead and just show you what's available here. So there is, you can download the PDF right here. That is the Download Frozen Offerings, and then there is also some combat maps that they provide. There's 3 different maps or grids, and then a 25-page PDF, which we'll go ahead and open up right here. So this is the module, and if we scroll down just a little bit here, I just wanted to show you where it mentions the other options. So if you wish to embark on this quest with 2 characters, in addition to the provided sidekick, which we'll get into in just a sec, you start out at either 3rd or 4th level, and if you want to go with 3 characters, you can start out at 2nd or 3rd level. And as it mentioned here, there is a sidekick. So if you remember sidekicks from the, I think it was the Essentials kit when they when sidekicks first made their appearance. But you do start with a sidekick. The sidekick is named Thalgar. And basically the kind of the premise of the quest is Thalgar, his brother, has been kidnapped by a tribe of savage barbarians. I was going to see here if I could find the, where is the barbarian tribe's name? Here we go. The Bruka tribe has kidnapped his brother, and it sounds like the Bruka tribe makes offerings to a white dragon to appease it. So there's a good chance that Malgar is on the he's on the menu. So what you're going to do is you and Thalgar and up to 1 or 2 more people or characters are going to set out on a quest to try to rescue his brother. And a little bit further up here, if we scroll back up to the top, basically all you have to do to just kind of like jump right into playing this solo adventure is roll up a character. It says right here that you start with 500 gold plus 1d10 times 25 gold, and that's going to allow you to buy what you need to out of the player's handbook. You also get 1 uncommon magic item. It does say to make sure you purchase healing potions, because this is designed to be a little bit of a tougher quest, it sounds like. So there is a chance that your character could die if you start out at 7th level, especially if you don't grab healing potions. So make sure that you're well prepared to embark on this journey. Again, if you want to go through just kind of the story and not worry about your character perishing, you can start out at level 10. Gives you a little more of an advantage in the adventure. I plan, however, at starting at the lowest level possible, just to see if I can make it through. And if I perish in the quest, then I'm assuming Thalgar, he'll survive, make his way back to town, and he can tell, I'll roll up a new character and I'll hear about my previous character's heroic deeds as we set out again to rescue his brother. So this is just an awesome idea. You can tell I'm super pumped about this, so I just cannot wait to get started. Let me know down below in the comments of any additional kind of adventures like this that you're aware of. I'm going to be searching for additional adventures now that I know this exists. Again, I did not know this was even an option, and now that I know, it just kind of seems like common sense. Like, of course, there's choose your own adventures for D&D. But anyways, let me know what you think down below. List any other ones that you know of, and I'll probably, as I find them, I'll probably just go ahead and throw that down in the details of the video section as well for anybody else that stumbles upon this and wants additional options. But I just wanted to get this out there for anybody else like myself that did not know. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time. Oh, I wanted to show you the maps actually. Just kidding. Let me pull up these maps real quick. I mean, they're nothing too special, but it's a free map. So a map that you didn't have to draw. So there is a you're out on the boat in the lake. It looks like this last one makes me chuckle here. So this is the Dragon's Lair battle map, and then I love this one. That just the fact that they even provided this. This must be the Yeti in a blizzard map. Is just basically a blank grid with grid lines on it. It's all white, so that made me chuckle. So, anyways, enough blabbing. Thanks again, viewers, and until next time.